Hello everyone, you're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today is the fourth part of NDA NA last 10 years vocabulary questions with synonyms and antonyms for UPSC. So let's start. The first word is garrulous. It all words we will discuss in our playlist of vocabs by Norman Lewis. So this word is garrulous. It is having the habit of talking a lot, especially about things that are not important. It means in Hindi it is bahubhashi. Synonyms are chatty or gabby and antonyms are reticent or uncommunicative. Example of garrulous is because Jake is garrulous, asking him to keep a secret is impossible. So next word, tacit. It is understood without being expressed directly. In Hindi it is ankaha. Synonyms of tacit are implicit and expressed, and explicit and stated are antonyms. Example, your silence implies tacit consent to these proposals. Next word, fortitude. It is courage in pain or adversity. Sahan shakti. Synonyms of fortitude is forbearance or grit, and flattery and dawdling are antonyms of fortitude. Example, she bore the pain with great fortitude. Next word, meagre. It is lacking in quantity or quality. It means in Hindi it is thoda. Synonyms are inadequate or scanty, and antonyms are abundant or plenty. Example, in spite of hard work, the farmers could only get a meagre yield. Next word, exhilarated. It is very excited or happy. In Hindi it is matwala hona. Synonyms are exciting or thrilling, and antonyms are arrange and desperate. So example is, he was exhilarated and the outcome of the election results. Next word, fired. It means dismissed from a job. Nikal dena. Synonyms are dismissed or ousted, and antonyms are stirred or holstered. Example, he was fired for negligence on duty. Next word, obliterate. It means destroy utterly. In Hindi it is bigadna. Synonyms are annihilate or eradicate, and antonyms are is establish. Example, democracy is not the standardizing of everyone so as to obliterate or peculiarity. Next word, ineffable. It is too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words. It is avarniya. Synonyms are unutterable or inexpressible, and antonyms are utterable or definable. Example, divine grace is truly ineffable. Next word, edifying. It is providing moral or intellectual instructions. Synonyms are enlighten, illume, and antonyms are unenlightening or worthless. Example, the convocation address was very edifying. Next word, amity. It is friendly relations. Example, we should always try to maintain and promote communal amity. Synonyms are friendship or accord, and antonyms are animosity and enmity. Next word, extinct. It is having no living members, no longer in existence. It means vilupt hona. Synonyms are defunct or perished, and antonyms are extinct or living. Example, many species of animals have become extinct during the last 100 years. Next word, proselytize. It means convert or attempt to convert someone from one religion, belief or opinion to another. In Hindi it is dharma parivartan karwana. Synonyms are convert and evangelize, and antonyms are renounce. Example, true religion does not require one to proselytize to guile or force. Next word, preposterous. It means contrary to reason or common sense, utterly absurd or ridiculous. It means in Hindi it is nirarthak. Synonyms are absurd or ludicrous and antonyms are reasonable. Example, that the plan is both inhuman and preposterous needs on further proof. Next word, callous. It means unkind, cruel and without sympathy or feeling for other people. In Hindi it is nirdayi hona. Synonyms are unsympathetic or inordinate and antonyms are caring or human. Example, the attitude of the Western countries towards the third world countries is rather callous to say the least. Next word, verdict. An opinion or decision made after judging the facts that are given, especially one made at the end of trial. In Hindi it is nirday and synonyms is judgment or adjudication. Example, whatever the verdict of history may be, Chaplin will occupy a unique place in its pages. Next word, corroborated. It is to support with evidence or authority. In Hindi it is pushti karna. Synonyms are confirm and validate and antonyms are invalidate or refute. Example, he corroborated the statement of his brother. Next word, sane. It is reasonable or sensible. In Hindi it is vicharshil. Synonyms are rational or sensible and antonyms are insane or irrational. Example, whatever opinion he gives is insane. Next word, credible. It is able to be believed or convincing. In Hindi it is vishwasनीय. Synonyms are reliable, trustworthy and antonyms are untrustworthy. Example, the story is too fantastic to be credible. Next word, hazardous. It is risky or dangerous. In Hindi it is khatarnak. Synonyms are unsafe, dangerous and antonyms are safe or secure. Example, catching snakes can be hazardous for people untrained in the art. So, here video ends, and if you like this video then please like, share, and if you are new on my channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant, and for PDF you can also join my Telegram Optimistic Aspirant from the link given in descriptions. Thank you so much everyone.